Today I'm using these glow-in-the-dark tattoos for my photos. Let's hope it's gonna work. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about creating unique photographies using unusual objects, budget lights and equipment. And today is no different. I'm using these glow-in-the-dark tattoos that I bought from Temu to see if I can create a creative self-portrait. I hope it works and I hope you stay around and enjoy the process. Let's do it. My idea was to create a self-portrait using these tattoos on my face. I don't even know if I'm allowed to use these tattoos on my face. I don't care and I'm gonna give a go. We do everything for a creative photo. First things first, let's apply these tattoos. I have a scissor here. I'm gonna cut them and put them under my eyes. The process is super simple. I just need to cut out the design I want, place it on my skin and dump with a wet cloth. I use these makeup removal pads to do it. The pack came with a lot of different designs and I wanted to put a few on my face, but didn't want it to crowd it too much. I also used one of the designs in my hand so I could use the hand for a few photos too. After applying these tattoos, I quite like the results. What do you think? Now it's time to take the photos. I did these photos in front of my wall of my studio, which is actually my garage. For the tattoos to glow, I had to turn off all the lights and use a blue light shining on me. So I had to find a blue light, and that's why we have gels. To create your gel, you can use cellophane paper, which is super cheap, but I have my AD200 portable light from Godox. This light is a step up from a regular flash, and I have a few different heads for it and gels too. So I set up the AD200 with the LED head and the blue gel, which was enough to create the glowing effect of the tattoos on my face. I shot with the light positioned at about a 45-degree angle, which helps to create the Rembrandt lighting. But when you do your self-portrait, it's not always easy to get it right. So keep that in mind. I probably didn't get it all right, or maybe I didn't get any right. As you all know, I use the Imaging Edge app from Sony to take these photos, and I tried different settings to see what would create a nicer glow. I changed mainly the ISO and the speed for it. By the way, if you wanted to learn how to shoot your self-portraits, you can watch this video here, where I explain 4 different methods to do it, and you can find your favorite one. Mine is using the Imaging Edge app. When you shoot, it's good to take as many photos as you can for variety. I shot about 50 photos and chose my favorite ones to edit. I brought them into Photoshop for editing, and the process was quite simple. I started by cleaning up my skin, fixing stray hairs and adjusting some shapes using the Liquify filter. I did a simple burning dodge effect and finished up with the Camera Raw filter. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's project. And I hope you may be trying to use these glow-in-the-dark tattoos in your projects too. You know, I don't know if you can use it in your face, but it's been a few days and nothing happened, so you should be fine. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me your thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. I love hearing from you guys. Do it, please. And I see you next week. Goodbye.